Thank you for tuning in. Andreas from Simply Explained here. And in this video I'm going to talk about end-of-year retail investor behavior. Okay? And that behavior is the tax-related sell-off. Okay? This is something that happens in December. And the driver behind this is the capital gains tax. Now, here in Sweden we have a capital gains tax of 30% if you use the traditional account type. It looks different from country to country, but if you have a straight capital gains tax or you have some sort of income bracket that capital gains is counted into, then this is relevant for you as well. And I also want to say that the smaller the market cap of the stock and the more retail investors currently invested in it, so a lack of institutional investors, the more relevant this trend is going to be. Okay, so let's talk some behavioral facts here. So let's say you're holding a stock. The stock has made gains. It is December. You're thinking about selling. However, if you sell right now in December, you will be taxed for it for the year. Here in Sweden it's 30%. And if you have a country where you have income brackets, then maybe that capital gain will push you into a higher income bracket. And you don't want that. There's more taxes for you. So, what do? Well, you do the most sensible thing and you hold on to the stock. And you sell it in January instead if you wanted to sell. So, if you're holding this type of stock that has made gains throughout the year, well, then you don't risk to see a end-of-year surprise, so to say. However, in a year like this, where the broader stock market has made gains, and you're holding a stock that's been losing, okay? This stock has made losses, and a lot of investors will have made gains in other areas, on other investments, on dividends, whatever the case might be. Then you will be able to deduct the losses from the gains. And then there will be an incentive to sell this losing stock in December. It's a tax reason. It's perfectly reasonable. It's the same thing I would have done. So if you hold a micro cap or very small cap stock in the end of year, I want you to think about this, because this might affect stock price end of year. So be smart, invest safe, and I hope you make a lot of money.